Good morning, everyone. This is Joanne, and here is Rosie right behind me. Hello. Okay, I'm going to show you a very quick exercise that you'll be able to help your forehead and round back posture to be somewhat neutral so that you can relieve your neck and shoulder, perhaps your lower back pain. So if you do this, you'll be able to feel some of the pain that your chronic pains might relieve. So today we're going to do a simple myofascial release, and we'll be able to stretching the muscle and strengthen those muscles to make your body to be more center, and you can have a better posture. So we need a foam roller for this exercise. So if you have a foam roller, please bring one, and let's go ahead and start it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to lie down right on top of the foam roller. So this is what we're going to do. So look carefully, and you're going to find your scapula. You'll be able to lie down right here. And you're gonna prepare two hands, cross your fingertips, and hold on to your head weight. Bring your feet not away from your butt, and trying to bring your heels more close towards your body. Very nice, excellent. So if anybody has any shoulder issue, it'll be very difficult to open your arms really wide. So bring your elbows close. This is totally fine. Okay, so first what we're going to do, we're gonna slowly just bring your head down towards the back and open. And I want you to stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How are you feeling, Rosie? Are you okay? Good. Now just slowly bring your head back. Relax. All right. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, slowly drop your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have a nice little curve on your back as well. That's totally fine. If you want to go back down a little further, that's totally fine. 9, 10. 10 per second. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Just bring your head. All right. So let's try to look straight up to the ceiling. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're actually going to bring your butt up and put your body weight on your top of your shoulder, and hold on to your head weight so that you're not using any of your neck muscle. Okay. Bring your head down and looking down to your belly button. Now just slowly just push yourself just a little bit up. All right. If you have any soft spot, feeling, oh my God, I feel a little tight, find that spot, your trigger point, and work on that area. So a little bit further. So what we're going to do, if you actually, your heel is further away from your body, some of you actually who try to do this exercise for the first time, you might can actually use your ab muscles more and your thigh muscles. So try to bring your feet close towards your butt. You can walk down like this way. And make sure that you're really putting your body weight on your top of your trapezius, your upper back, and not coming all the way down. All the way, and bring your head up. Slowly massage the tight back area, and now come back. How are you feeling, Rosie? Are you okay? Good. I hope all of you actually who watching this and following this exercise feel really good too. And come back. All right. Excellent. So if you feel like you have a tight muscles right near your top of your shoulder, do a little very small range of motions up and down to release the tension. All right, and after you finish, you're gonna bring the butt down and sit. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to stretch. So sit tall and hold on to your hands, pray your hands, cross your fingertips. What we're going to do, we're going to press your hands all the way up. And now try to push your back all the way towards your back and chin down towards your chest. All the way down. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Inhale. Shoulder down. And exhale. Push. And all the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now slowly come back. Beautiful. Excellent. Now, let's try to do this. So we're going to bring your hands, your left hands right behind the butt. And let's bring your right hands right outside of your knee and press against your knee. And you're going to rotate your body towards the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now come back, we'll do the other side. And hands right behind the butt. And the other hands right next to the knee. Press against. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now slowly come back. Beautiful. Now, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to go into the strengthening part. So you're going to remove your roller to the side. Your hands, you're going to lie down on your tummy. And then you're going to bring your hands right underneath of your armpit. And put the forehead down. Slowly take a deep breath, inhale deep. As you exhale, you slowly push yourself a little bit. So your abdominal muscle pressing down and your pubic bone pressing down. Your arms not open. Stay right there, hold about 15-degree angle. And now slowly coming back down. Inhale deep. As you exhale, slowly push. Stay right there, hold. 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you're not bringing your head up so that you can actually creating little wrinkles right behind your neck. Bring your chin down. Make sure that your entire spine is nice and long and not really tight. One more time, take a deep breath. As you exhale, slowly coming all the way up in 3. Stay right there, hold. And now exhale. Inhale deep. As you exhale, slowly push. Come up to the same spot. Now, let's try to bring both hands up about 2 inches. Stay right there. Try not to lift your leg up. Toes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And bring it down. So once you do that, actually, you'll be able to feel your lower back like really strengthening. And we'll do one more time. Try not to drop your head. Make sure that you have a nice long spine. Your neck is now coming down this way. Next up. And bring your hands up. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And now bring it back down. Now I'm going to go all the way up to the cobra position. So now coming all the way up. All the way up. All the way. Once you come up here, I want you to bring your shoulder down. Try not to bring your shoulder up and making your leg really short. I want you to bring your shoulder down. Chin down. Alright, open up. And now slowly coming down. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Slowly push. All the way up. Trying to open up your abdominal muscle, your hip flexors, everything's all open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go back down. We'll do one more time. Slowly coming down. Take a deep breath, inhale deep. As you exhale, you're going to slowly push all the way, coming all the way up. Excellent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now we're going to come up to tabletop position. Come all the way up to the tabletop. So are you okay, Rosie? So this one, if anybody has a knee issue, let's say you have patella issue, or maybe you have an ACL, or MCLs, or like torn apart, or anybody who has any knee issue. I know that putting your knee on a hard surface, or even if it's mat, it'll be difficult. So we're going to do this exercise in a 2 version. So this is the final stretch. So what we're going to do, people without the knee issue can follow me. People with the knee issue, you can prepare a chair, or you can totally do this, right against the wall. So what you're going to do, I want you to stand right here. Open your hip width apart, very nice. And hold on to the back of the chair. You have to actually have your chair to be stabilized. And now bend your knee just a little bit, and what you're going to do, you're going to be pushing your butt towards the back and making your back nice and stretched. Rosie has one knee issue, and also she has a shoulder issue. So she can go, this is her, the best, stretch. But anyway, so this, all her back muscle and shoulder trap, all to be nice and long. This is just what I want. And slowly come back. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's do it together. So people without the knee issue, people with the knee issue, follow Rosie. So we're gonna come back. So what we're going to do, people without the knee issue, this your wrist, I want you to bring your wrist a little bit away from your shoulder level. Open your knees, hip width apart, a little wider than hip width. Now imagine that you're pushing your sit bones straight towards the back. So let's go, and I'm gonna slowly come back down. So imagine that your chins touch and your chest touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Great job. I hope you feel good. Are you okay? So let's do 2 more. Push all the way straight towards the back. Imagine that your chest touching down to the bottom and chin all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is different than the traditional child pose, right? Okay, all right. And I want you to feel really nice and deep stretch. Come back, so we'll do one last one. And stretch towards the back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, for those who, we're gonna do actually a few more, so we only did 3. So let's at least do 5. So 2 more. And push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come back. Inhale deep, and as you exhale, and push. This is the last one. And head up, and I'm sure some people actually can't really bring their head up. It's okay if you can't, and you're gonna bring your forehead down. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. And come back. This is pretty simple. So we did the myofascial release, and then we did a little stretch, and we did the strengthening, the cobra, and now so this is the final. So what you're gonna do, I want you to bring your feet together. Can you see? So I want you to bring your toes together, your knees together, and I want you to bring your hands towards the back, like this. Hold on tight, just like this. So hands right behind. So make sure that your knees together, toes together. And now inhale deep. As you exhale, you're going to bring your hands a little bit up. And now bend your knee and slowly squat a little bit. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly come back all the way. Good job. Now you're still there, and I'll be doing this. And let's go one more time. Hands up. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now come back. Alright, so now I'll do the front side one more time. So last one is back. Inhale deep. Exhale. Now push. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now slowly come back. This is good. So this is very simple and easy. So most of people sitting, and this is natural position because it's natural, because we're not fighting against the gravity. So gravity always pushing us down, and most of us doesn't like to work out. And also working out is hard, it's hard. So as you get older, you also have tendency to actually lose all muscles, especially your abdominal muscles. Your core muscle is going to be all loosen up, so your body slowly collapses even more. So we're going to prevent having these postures and round back, head forward to be here. This looks better. Yeah, it looks better. Not only looks better, it feels better, and you have no pain. Yeah, right? Okay, so I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Adios.
Adios.